بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مساء الخير. عندنا اليوم سي فود إن شاء الله راح أشوفكم.
So the first thing you do is you put your seafood inside of a pot if it's frozen. You put your corn. And these are the ingredients you need. You need a stick of butter, 4 sticks of butter. The more butter, the better it tastes. And you need chopped up garlic. And you need this one right here. This is what gives it the taste. This has garlic and lemon powder is what you need. And you need this one. You need this. This is the Panda soy sauce. Very, very good. This is what you need. And to make it a little chili, you need the chili oil and peanut from Chang Wong. And you need the brown sugar. Brown sugar is also what gives it a taste. And you need Old Bay. This is the seafood. This is the secret sauce right here. So you add 3 sticks of butter and you wait till it melts. So once your butter is melted, you add this sauce right here. And you add 2 spoons of this. Maybe 2.5, up to you. And this you add garlic, chopped up garlic. You need the chopped up garlic. I would say 2 spoons. If you don't know how to measure, use 2 spoons. You also need this spice, pepper, lemon. If you don't know how to measure, use a spoon, 2 teaspoons.
Oh, it smells crazy. I love it. Brown sugar.
And now you mix it. And brown sugar after you. Anish, some paprika. So once it gets thick like this, you need lemon. Lemon will give it a flavor.
This seafood.
So now you add the brown sugar. Brown sugar is what gives it the taste. Now you take the shrimp that's ready and you put it right inside the sauce. Don't be shy. sure you put all your shrimps inside. And then you take the king.
ان شاء الله منه نخلص.
Once this part is ready, you take the corn one by one and put it inside. So now it's